Hi, this is Charlie from Path of the Bee. Today we're going to continue our video series on the Nicot queen rearing system. Today is day 6. We're going to remove our graft frame from our cell starter and put it back into our cell builder. Let's get started. Okay, so if you remember, we put in the center a frame of honey. Was just a space keeper. So we'll pull it out. We'll shake the bees off. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to position some frames here where I have the most brood next to the cell starter as possible. And here's a fully capped frame of brood. Looks really nice. I want that in my next to center position. This was a frame I put in to keep space, so I'll shake it off. This is another frame I put in to keep space. I'll shake it off. Here's another nice frame of brood. We'll put that on the second side. Leaving a spot in the middle. Okay, so these are the bees that came out of here. We're going to open them up. Scrape off this pollen patty here. Put a little bit of it on the top bars. Just to make certain. Been having some really inclement weather, and I want to just make certain that no matter what, they've got enough pollen. The first thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and transfer my graft frame. Alright, let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all 10 on the top are accepted. All 10 in the center bar are accepted. And it looks like we missed one on the bottom down here. So let's get them in here and get them going. And then I'll just take these frames, my worker bees on them, put them back in my box. Okay, and then I have a piece of pollen patty here. I'm just going to go ahead and lay it on the top, just to ensure that I've got plenty of pollen. Alright, I'll smoke the bees off the top bars here. And I'll put my honey super back on. Okay, so now I'll leave this this box here and let the bees work their way out of it. It has a tub of water stuck to the bottom of it, and I don't want to dump that out. So I'll leave them settle down for an hour or so, come out, check on them, and retrieve my equipment. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.